I painted two Dollar Tree picture frames silver, and I attached them using Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot glue. I decided to add metal floral ribbon to each one of my frames, so I turned my frames over and I attached wooden skewers to the back of my frames using Gorilla Hot glue. I cut my skewers so they would fit flush inside of the frame, where I removed the glass and the cardboard. Next, I attached my floral ribbon to my frames in front of my skewer, keeping my ribbon as straight as possible. I found that my ribbon would not fit flat around my skewer, so I just snipped my ribbon in the center and I continued to fold it down around my skewer. And I used Gorilla Hot glue to secure my ribbon to my frame and to my skewer. Next, I made bows for each one of my boxes using my metal floral ribbon. Then I used zip ties to secure my bow. Next, I attached wooden blocks that I also purchased at Dollar Tree to my picture frames. Then I attached my bows to my wooden blocks using a thumbtack and a small nail. I decided that I needed a third present, so I'll show you how I used a mirrored candle holder that I also purchased at Dollar Tree. Once I measured my ribbon for my bow and for the front of my mirror, I took my frames and my ribbon from my mirror outside and I spray painted them silver. And this is what my frames looked like once I was all done. Next, I attached my ribbon back onto my mirror and I attached my bow to a wooden block using a small nail. To secure my ribbon, I used Fix-All adhesive and Gorilla Hot Glue to attach a wooden block that I purchased at Dollar Tree. Next, I attached my bow to my present, one block on top of the other. Next, I attached gems that I purchased at Dollar General to the center of my bows. Once I was done placing my gems, I attached my mirrored present to the center of my frames using Gorilla Hot Glue and Fix-All adhesive. I really enjoyed doing this project and I hope you were able to follow along. Up next, I'll show you 2 ways that you can use the final product for your Christmas decoration. You can use it as wall decor, or you can attach it to a candle holder for table decor. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.